Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create the perfect sunburst on Adobe Illustrator CC. So grab the polygon tool and you want to make sure you create a triangle, so select it and choose 3, and then you're going to make this longer essentially, and you're just going to want to rotate it 180 degrees and kind of put it in the middle like so. Select it, go to Effect, Distort and Transform, and choose Transform. Make sure you select this square on the bottom here. This is very crucial, so again, choose this bottom square. Choose around 18 degrees for the angle and have around 20 copies. And you're just going to press OK, and that's it. You're just going to go to Object, Expand Appearance, and here you can kind of adjust it and make it larger if you want the sunburst to kind of really cover the background, like something like that. Okay, like so. And that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. If you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Yeah, thank you so much for watching. Bye!